If you think about it, there's never a point in your day where you're not interacting with glass. And people don't realize how much glass impacts the world.
Glass is really a neat substance. It can be bent, it can be shaped, it can be texturized. It's nearly unlimited what an architect or designer can create with glass.
Glass is a very versatile material. It's something that cross-pollinates between architecture and interior design.
We manufacture everything under one roof. We have colorful laminated glass, tempered glass, acid etched glass, back painted glass.
Security glazing, ballistic protection, physical attack and forced entry protection.
Specialty decorative and performance glazing.
Fire-rated assembly systems and fire-rated glass.
Captive hook wall mounting systems.
X-ray shielding, anti-reflective glass, you name it, it all falls underneath the McGrory umbrella.
McGrory Glass began operating out of a 50,000 square foot warehouse facility to now an operation that expands to 3 different facilities and about 250,000 square feet of production space.
McGrory continues to grow and innovate. We're developing our own products, framing systems.
McGrory stays cutting edge by coming up with new etch designs, new interlayers, new surface applied films to be a better resource to architects and designers.
McGrory's architectural sales representatives will meet with the client, the architect, the designer, and discuss style, colors, the look, and most of the time the architect will have all that envisioned and they just need somebody who can bring their vision into reality.
It's not just the product, it's all the components that go along with it. And they're looking to us to help guide them and advise them on the right product, the right application, the right thickness.
We'll look at that project and say, okay, well, this is the application, this is what you need. And when you're dealing with life safety products like fire-rated or radiation shielding, it can be a matter of life or death.
And the bonus with McGrory is that we ensure that they are creating projects that meet building code when required, that offer life safety when needed.
We can offer EPDs, HPDs on our products, and lead documentation.
We have testing criteria. We have a lot of things that we have to do as a manufacturer to pass a test.
We can handle the most complex orders that are given to us, and all of our answers are usually yes.
At the end of the day, our common goal is to make sure McGrory Glass delivers on its promises and a high quality product, making each project successful.